It's me, Shamsur Rahman. I'm here to take your speaking test. In the first part, I'd like to have few questions about you and about your family. Could you tell me your full name?
Thank you, sir, for asking. My full name is Anirani Singh.
What's your nickname?
My nickname is Annie. My family members also loves me called N.
How do you spell your nickname?
The name of my nickname is spelled A-N-I.
Well, how will you describe yourself?
My full name is Anirani Singh. My nickname is Annie. You can call me Annie. I am a student. I have completed SSC and SSC from Kumilla both. After completing higher secondary education, I got the chance to study at the University of Chittagong. My major is Pali and Buddhist studies. My hometown is Kumilla, but due to study purpose, now I live in Chittagong for last 3 years. I am interested in sewing clothes, so when I am at home and not engaged in any academic activities, then usually I sew clothes. Traveling new places is one of my another hobby. My favorite colors are black and navy blue, and I would like to be a teacher in my future. I think teaching is a profession which is a great profession, and that is brings great discipline in our life. So I decided to be a teacher in my future. That's all about me.
Well, how will you describe your family?
There are 4 members in my family, including me, my mother, my father, and one of my little sister. My father's name is Biplab Borua. He is a businessman, and my mother's name is Tinkirani Singh. She is a teacher, and my little sister is a student of SS.
Well, what are your hobbies and how did you take up your hobbies?
We know hobby is a favorite work of a person. It's not one's occupation, and my favorite hobby is sewing clothes. So when I get free time, I sew clothes, my own clothes and my family members. But sometimes my other relatives or my neighbors came to my house to sew their clothes. So when I can stitch their clothes and they payment me and it's present for me, and I think it's all about people is very important. Take a hobby.
Well, now I'd like to ask you some questions about your hometown. Where is your hometown?
We know hometown is a place where a person was born and grew up, and my hometown name is Kumilla. We know Kumilla is a major developing district in Bangladesh, and there are a lot of historical places, good educational institution, and various tourist people go to our hometown and they visit their historical place.
Well, can you describe the area you come from?
Actually, I come from a village. The name of my village is Kinkasnai. It's a sub-district of Choddogram, and the Choddogram is beside the Dhaka-Chittagong highway.
Well, what facilities are there in your hometown for children?
My hometown is Kumilla, as I belong to a village, and there are a lot of facilities for children. We know in this modern era, all children are addicted to social media. But when children grow up a village, they take to playground to play outside, and they are not addicted in various much time in social media, and the children people always try to help each other.
Well, now I'd like to ask you some questions about your free time. Okay. Well, do you spend a lot of time with your friends?
Actually, I don't get much of that spare time, and when I got admitted into university, I had a lot of friends, but the flow of time, I lost everyone. That's why nowadays I don't spare time with my friends, and I stay at home.
Well, thank you very much for being with me.